To celebrate the 75 years of the Alabaster offering boxes, an offering of love and sacrifice, a new box has been created for you to deposit your offerings. In the following video, you will be able to see how you can assemble this box and distribute it in all your churches, and together in June, we will celebrate the 75 years of the Alabaster offering. Thank you for giving sacrificially.
In commemoration of the 75th anniversary of the Alabaster offering, a hallmark of generosity and sacrifice of many Nazarenes, a new alabaster box for children was created. If you want to learn how to put it together, it is very easy. The first thing you have to do is get the template and print it on any paper that is strong, or even better if it is cardboard. Once you have printed the template, then you can proceed to cut it, following the shape that the template will provide. It will look like this. You must pay special attention to these 4 tabs on each side. Notice, the first one has this shape and you must separate it. The second tab has this shape, similar to the letter C. In the same way, you must separate it. Then we have this piece, which is the longest. You are going to cut it separately, and finally now we are going to have this piece, similar to the previous one, on both sides of the box. You should do it. Now we're going to make some vertical and horizontal folds. Following where each of our tabs end or start, we do the first one fold. Here we mark these tabs. It has to be together with this other one. Then there we fold again. Then we look for the next tab, which would be these. From here we go back to do some more folding. And finally, then we have this last piece in which you should also fold. And so you now have the horizontal folds and the vertical folds. It's very simple. Just where each one of the tabs starts, you have to fold, and as you already have them separately, it will be quite easy to do it, and you should do it on both sides of the box. The only one that will take an extra fold is this long one. From here, you fold this small piece again to make it much easier to assemble your box. Now that we have the folds, we need to identify the base of our box. This is the base of our box. So on it, you are going to fold and match these pieces in such a way that they look like this. It was like this, and now you are going to fold it, and it will be like this on both sides of your box. You are going to take this tab, and the good thing is that you don't need glue. This tab that is here, you have to insert it in the space that was left when we made the folds. If you put it on correctly, it will look like this and do the same on the other side. Then the base of your box will be ready. Now you just have to fold the tabs and put them inside the base, and then you will have your alabaster box ready to be used.